Alright, what's good, guys? Today we're going to be going over one of the most simplistic strategies to use. Make sure you tune in. It's so easy. I literally have an example of using it today. It's literally so simple, guys. So simple. It's so easy to understand. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so before starting anything with the strategy, I only trade mostly NASDAQ and gold, but this kind of works on anything like Dow Jones or even like the oil one, but I stopped trading the oil one. I only trade gold and NASDAQ now. So going into NASDAQ, first thing you want to look for is the pre-market. As you know, or you don't know, the pre-market is from 4 a.m. to 9:30. So what you want to do is mark that pre-market high and low. So you can see right here on Friday before 4 a.m. to 9:30, the lowest low is right here at 9:28, and the highest high was right here at 8:30. So what you want to do is mark a support level on that. Like you can see the circle right here. You want to mark a support level right at the bottom, and at the bottom of that candle close, and then same thing over here. So we marked it. Then what you want to wait for is some type of like momentum upwards through that support level, but some people tend to trade it through that through the support level as well. I mean, with that support level. So let's say it comes out and comes back in, they could have traded that as well. As you can see, it could have worked, but you won't catch the big move on there. So you want to look for a big momentum like this right here. As you can see, these lines, big momentum in, and I mean through it, and then you want to wait till you get back into that zone. So you can see we got back into that zone right here, and this trade was absolutely amazing. You see, we want to get a two to risk reward ratio. So let me show you what that is. So if we take out one of these boxes, let's just take it over here. So if you see one of these boxes, you want to try to get a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So what that means is you want to be risking, let's say for example $100, you want to times that times 2, and you want to make double of what your stop loss is. So if my stop loss is, let's say 81 ticks, you want to make double that, which would be like 100 something up here, 162. So that's exactly what we did on this trade. So the way you determine how much you want to risk is with the support level. So you can see it's where it closed. So you want to set that stop loss right at that support level. So that would be right here. So 76 candles, and you want to get that 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. You see this trade got in right there. Let's say I got in, I would be risking around 300 something, which is a lot. But then you can see we hit for 152 ticks, which is literally $750 around there. And it's an absolutely insane trade. I'm telling you, guys, this works. I actually didn't take this exact trade, but I did take one on gold, which I will show you. Oh, wrong one. So as you can see, we have the levels right here. So this was the lowest low, 855, and then this was already at 931, and then the highest high was right here at 5 a.m. So we marked that support level. We could also make the support level a little smaller because the candle closed higher. And then this one you could do right here. So with those levels marked, and you want to get a horizontal line on it, and then this is the box for the support level. You want to just find that. I believe it's somewhere around here. Yeah, rectangle right here. That's what you want to use. So the trade I took was somewhere up here. Okay, yeah, right here. So you can see this is the low, passed through it, and then rejected here a little bit. Rejected there a little bit, but it wouldn't have worked. I actually didn't hop in that trade. I wanted to see if it did work, but it didn't. Then it just kind of kept breaking through it. Then we got this huge momentum down at like 10:30, and we set a limit order, which finally hit at 2:30. And you can see it was supposed to hit my stop loss. I guess I had my stop loss a little higher, so technically the trade shouldn't have worked, but it actually did work. And you can see the trade ended up working for a nice 20 ticks. So the trade, these strategies definitely do work. Super easy strategy, and I really recommend it. I literally took a trade on gold. You can see I'm up 200 on the account balance, and I started this account freshly new today. But yeah, mostly focus on NASDAQ, but when there's no setups on NASDAQ, I kind of just tend to look on gold. You can see that setup on gold work, but definitely the best one was on what am I doing here? Definitely the best one was on NASDAQ for sure. You see, that one would have been like $700, and 150 ticks is insane. With one unit, 150 ticks. So we got one unit. We put a take profit of 152, 760, and we're only gonna be risking half of that, which is 380, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 380. Yeah, it is. So you would only be risking 380. Let's say you took 2 of those trades using the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. You would have lost 380 and you would have made 760. So you would still be up 360. And that's why it's so good to have this ratio. So you could win one trade and lose one trade and be super profitable still. But yeah, guys, that's about it for the strategy. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Peace.